Okay, go ahead.
Num num.
What is it?
Num num.
Let me see. You know which one that is?
Yeah, num num. Katie has it too.
You like that one?
That's Piggy Bank.
Oh, let me see.
Shaped like a cat.
Let me see. Hold it up. Don't drop it. That is adorable. Okay. Put her back in her box so she doesn't get broke.
Easter egg.
Oh, that's fun.
Ball.
Oh, cool.
Another Easter egg. Candy. More candy. Big thing of marshmallows.
Those are delicious marshmallows, by the way.
Another sour ball. Bubble gum.
I think that's all. What was your favorite thing? That's it. Put the crest. Your Zuzu pet? Let me see it. Turn around. Let me see it. Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Gigi and Papa.
Thank you, Gigi and Papa.
And Aunt Gay.
Aunt Gay.
Look up.